Learning English with Cece! Yay!
Hi guys, today I would like to show you how to make flan. This flan recipe makes 6 servings in ramekins. I will be using 6 ramekins, 2 baking pans. For ingredients, you will need 1 cup of sugar, 6 eggs, 1 can of condensed milk, and vanilla. To make the caramel, we will need 1 cup of sugar into the pot, along with 1/3 cup of water to dissolve the sugar. Set the pot to medium heat. Then we would stir until it becomes a golden color. As you can see, the caramel is almost ready. We will turn off the stove now. Then you will pour it into each ramekin. Remember to spread it evenly. Remember to pour your caramel into each ramekin immediately because your caramel will turn hard in the pot. You can preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Now we will add 6 eggs into this bowl. Now we need 1 can of condensed milk. After stirring it well, we will add 2 cans of milk. You can use any milk you want, but I will be using whole milk today. Get out all of the excess condensed milk in this can. Then we'll be stirring this mixture well. After mixing it very well, we will add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now it's time to pour into each ramekin. Look at how smooth the texture of the mixture is. Now I'll be pouring boiling water to each baking pan. You will have to fill 2/3 of each baking pan. Place each ramekin into the baking pan. My oven has finished preheating, so now we'll place these baking pans in here. We'll have to wait for 40 to 45 minutes. After 40 minutes has passed, we'll check it with a knife to see if it's ready or not. As you can see, it is ready, but we'll have to leave it here for 5 minutes to cool down, and we'll turn off the oven for now. After taking it out of the oven, I'll leave it here to cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll place it in my fridge. We will now store the flan in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Here's our finished flan! I have decorated with strawberries. You can decorate with red berries or blackberries, your choice. Hope you'll enjoy it with your friends and family. Ramekin. Baking pan. Caramel. Golden color. Evenly. Decorate. flan. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something valuable, and remember to check the description box below to see the full Vietnamese translation of this video. See you next time. Cảm ơn các bạn đã xem video này. Tôi hy vọng các bạn đã học được nhiều điều giá trị và nhớ xem bản dịch tiếng Việt đầy đủ của video này ở cái description box dưới. Hẹn gặp lại các bạn lần sau.